welcome back to another episode of Simply Natural Black Life. So guys, today I am wearing, let's back it up, a Karen King cotton, 100% cotton cargo skirt. She's very, 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 very pretty to me, and she's very, very comfortable. 100% cotton. My top is linen, but this is, and it has like the stripe. I think you guys seen this before, but you never probably seen the lining in the back. But it has pockets back here, pockets in the front. Yeah, and I like it. Has a pocket here. So this is outfit of the day, and I have on my slides here. They're so comfortable. So guys, today we are going to be wearing Woody 1, which is a version of YSL. Let's see if she has it today. Back it up, Sonia. I don't know, y'all. This lighting is just not right sometimes. It's not my fault, but that's what it is. If you guys can see. See? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray lightly. Hope you guys are doing well today. It is going to be 90, which I'm not complaining, because we complain about everything. We complain when it's too cold. We complain when it's too hot. Let's just get to the point where we don't say anything. Let's just be grateful, be thankful, be blessed in all we do. Thank you so much for everybody who leaves very, very kindful messages and comments on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and on my channel here. I really, really appreciate you guys. I wanted to also mention that I don't know what's been going on with the videos. I've been doing the best that I can, but for some reason, a lot of people are having problems with YouTube, or doing like whatever they want. So most of the time, it's not my problem. If I can fix something, I will do that. And if I can adjust something, I will do that as well. So I just wanted to let you know that. And then I'm gonna show you guys how well, right now, because I gotta get ready to go, or I'm gonna be late. I gotta make a smoothie too, so we can get out of here. But I did switch. I've been trying to group, I think I told y'all, my plants together that were like, I had to, either they were cuttings and I had to put them in water and had to like try to propagate them to get them to grow. So I can put, once they started the root process, I was able to put them in another pot. So that is what I did with the one here that's on my dresser. And I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. This is my pothos plant, heart-shaped Philadelphia. And it is, do you guys see that right there? So it does have variegation. They're variegate, I mean not variegate, yeah, has the variegation in it. But I did put, now this part was already over here, and I put this part here yesterday evening. So that's how it looks now. It's very, very full. So we're just hoping that she gets some very good growth. And yeah, so I will see you guys momentarily in the kitchen because she has to go make her smoothie for today, and then we're going to be on our way. All right, guys, I will be using my oat milk today for a smoothie. I'm going to use a little bit of that. I think last time I did too much. And then I'm going to put some ice cubes in here, because I'm going to sip this on my way to work. So, and then we're going to be using blueberries. Some pineapple. I set this out, so it still froze. We're going to use a couple of chunks of pineapple. And let's see what else we can use. We're going to go ahead and put our ginger. Yeah, I did use my apple cider vinegar that I had left over from another time before I open up my new bottle. So I'm going to put that much ginger in here. And then also, we're going to go ahead and put our turmeric in here. And I had to add a little bit of pepper for that to activate the turmeric. So, not so much. And go ahead and add our top, and then we'll be back. All right, you guys, let's see. Just trying to be healthy as possible. You let this rest right here. Uh-oh. She spilled some, but that's okay. I'm gonna let it sit for a moment, y'all, while I put my blender up so I can get ready to go. Thank you all for letting me know that you have been incorporating smoothies into your diet and stuff like that. I'm just trying to be healthy as I can, guys. That's it. That's my whole mission. So, that's what it looks like. Want to taste? Ooh. Ooh, y'all. You can taste everything. So guys, I will see you guys later, some hours later. So long now. It is like 6 o'clock, y'all. I am so sorry. So y'all gonna get this video, this vlog late today. Today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, the 29th. Yeah, I'm sorry. I was sitting here. I was trying to work on the computer and some other stuff, but I had to lay down. I was feeling really like nauseous or something. So I just came and lay down in the bed, and I woke up, and it's just like, oh, excuse me, it's like 6 o'clock now. But I wanted to show y'all, look what happened to my my thing today. I gotta find out what I did with it. It didn't snatched it, came off or something, so I have to work on that. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna stay on here long because, like I say, I'm not feeling the greatest. I don't know if I ate something wrong, but all I had was that smoothie today, a couple of things of water. I had some plain potato chips. So yeah, but I'm gonna get up for a second, but I'm getting ready to I was gonna go and do something, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. It is raining here, like raining cats and dogs. So yeah, I'll show you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but you guys can see here. Let me see. I open the door. Oh, look at the baby deers back there, y'all. Y'all see the baby deers back there? They're trying to find somewhere to go. Look. See them? See them right there? Aw. They've been trying to find somewhere to go. But anyway, y'all, it's raining. So, yeah, oh, they're turning around looking at me. Probably looking to get under a tree or something. But yeah, guys, I don't have anything else more today. I don't have nothing else to share. Oh, but I do want to share, sorry, I wasn't even in the camera. I'm sorry. I do want to share, it is awfully dark. The sun then went down and everything. I do want to share that I bought this, I don't know if you guys could see yesterday, but I bought in the thing here I bought this table in here from the back room. I thought it was really nice sitting here. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna keep it here. I don't think I'm gonna move it, but it really looks nice right here. So I don't know if you guys remember, this was bought when, I'm trying to think. I actually bought this, sorry guys, my stomach is killing me, but I bought this for $15. And it has, this is like natural wood here. The black is dark metal. And this top here is like really, it's real marble. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it here. It didn't really serve a purpose in the office. Well, at the time it did, but I think it looks very nice, like right here. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow. Like I said, there is no more It is gloomy here. It is rainy here. I am exhausted. I'm tired and I don't feel good. So guys, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much to all of you lovely people for letting me know about the video and all that good stuff. Y'all, it is like really too dark in here. Yeah, thanks for being so supportive and things like that. And guys, I will see y'all all tomorrow. And remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye.